Inspire fresh engineering graduates. Congratulations to all engineering graduates. The journey is just beginning, and it's time to embrace new challenges. The job market is competitive. Start by researching the skills that industries require from new engineering graduates. Invest in learning industry-relevant skills. Attend workshops, seminars, or online courses to stay ahead. Networking is key. Connect with professionals in your field through events, online platforms, or alumni groups. Maintain a positive mindset. Share your journey and achievements online, inspiring others while building your brand. Set clear, achievable goals. Create a plan for your career path and regularly evaluate your progress towards success. Remember, your journey is unique. Stay focused, keep learning, and the right opportunity will come your way.